Hi everyone, I'm Carmen and I attended Camp O'Connor. The first branch of government we learn about at Camp O'Connor is the legislative branch. This is the branch that writes and passes bills that become law. Every law you've ever heard of starts out as a bill, like the law that requires every car built to have seatbelts, or that businesses can't discriminate against customers based on their race. In Washington, D.C., at the federal level, the legislative branch is called the United States Congress, which is made up of two chambers, known as the United States House of Representatives and the United States Senate. The House of Representatives has 435 members divided among all 50 states. The smallest states, like Vermont and Wyoming, get one representative, while the largest state, California, now has 53. Every 10 years, the United States Census Bureau counts the population of the whole country to determine how many representatives each state gets. Members of the House of Representatives, known as congressmen or congresswomen, serve for 2-year terms. The United States Senate, on the other hand, only has 100 members, 2 from every state, no matter the size. Senators serve for 6-year terms. Only the Senate can vote to confirm judges to the federal court system and deal with foreign policy such as treaties with other nations. For a bill to become law, a majority of members in both the House of Representatives and the Senate have to vote for it, and then the president has to sign it for it actually to become law. Your state also has a legislative branch that makes laws, which is usually called the state legislature. Every state arranges its legislature a little bit differently, but most states have their own Senate and House of Representatives, just like Congress, only smaller. And laws passed by the legislature only apply to people in your state, not the whole country. In cities and towns, your city council serves as the legislative branch. Amazing, right? There is a legislative branch at the federal, state, and local levels all across America. For the Civics challenge in this category, you can make a video about how a bill becomes a law, the structure and powers of your state legislature, or several other options. Take a look. Good luck picking one of these exciting topics and learn lots. Bye!